Let's learn how to delete watch history on YouTube. It's very simple to do, yet many people don't know how to do it. If you want to know how to do this, stay until the end of this video. The first thing you need to do is find and open the YouTube app and make sure you're logged into the correct account from which you want to delete the history. Once you're sure, we can start. When YouTube opens, you'll see the U option located in the bottom right corner of your screen. Click on that option and a page will open with information about your channel. On that page, you'll also see your history in bold white letters, and next to that title, there will be a View All button. Click on the View All button, and a page will open with your entire history. If you want to delete your entire history, click on the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of the screen, and if you only want to delete one video, stay until the end. A small menu with 3 options will open. Click on the Clear All Watch History button. When you click that, an option will pop up to confirm that you're sure you want to do this. If you're sure, click the blue Clear Watch History button. If you want to delete just one video, first find that video, and next to it you'll see 3 vertical dots that you need to click on. When you click, a menu with several options will open, and you need to click on the top option, which is Remove from Watch History. Once you've done that, you have successfully deleted the YouTube watch history. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.